Apple World Samsung Galaxy S10 challenge. Can he complete it? What is your name for the record?
Apple World.
No, your full name for the record.
Apple World, sir.
Your government name. What is your government name?
My what?
This is going to be harder than I thought. What's the name that your parents call you?
Well, my parents call me Nikias Molina. Is that what you want?
Where do you currently reside?
I currently live in Barcelona, Spain.
Are you what we would call an Apple fanboy?
Yeah, I guess so.
Would you call yourself an Apple sheep?
What's with your air quotes? What does that even mean?
Answer the question.
Yeah, okay, I mean, it's not a big secret. I mean, everybody knows it, or I think they do.
We're here today because you have been challenged. You have been challenged to give up your iPhone and your precious Apple Watch to live outside your Apple ecosystem. Can a fish really live outside of water?
I never said I was a fish. I mean, that's a fish. That's my beta fish right there. Hey, you want to say hi? Well, he says hi. But anyways, I'm a sheep. I'm not a fish. I mean...
You're a fish until I tell you you're not a fish.
So... Awkward.
Okay, you're a sheep.
When do I get my phone? This is starting to be weird and awkward. Just give me my phone already.
A few moments later.
Do you here in front of the whole entire internet solemnly swear to follow these few simple rules? First, you have to give up your iPhone for 30 days, meaning you turn it off, put it in the drawer, and never to touch it again. And you also have to give up your Apple Watch.
Wait, so no Apple Watch? I mean, I can
turn off your Apple Watch
right?
and put it in the drawer. If you can pass the Samsung Galaxy S10 challenge and not use your iPhone or your precious Apple Watch for 30 days, you get to keep the phone. If you don't pass the challenge, and at any point in time you pick any of those devices up and start using them again, you have to send me back your phone. And you know what? I'm watching you. I would know. I'll know.
Alright, this is going to be harder than I thought. But... I accept.
All right. Well, I will leave you with this. I think the Apple World fan base is going to love this because you're going to show them something that they don't know. And you're probably going to learn something yourself along the way.
Yeah. This is going to be tough.
Drew from Tailosive passed the Pixel 3 XL challenge. And I personally feel the Samsung Galaxy S10 is going to be a much superior phone versus the Pixel 3 or Pixel 3 XL. So if he can do it, you can do it. All right, guys, you heard it here. Nikias has officially accepted the 30-day Samsung Galaxy S10 challenge. Stay tuned, more details to come out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel or subscribe to Apple World. For the love of tech.
Don't subscribe to me. Don't.
For the love of tech, namaste. Don't subscribe to him.